Hello there, coders. Foxy Code Dojo here, and as you can see, I currently have Visual Studio Code opened up. Today, we're going to be going over how to use Visual Studio Code and some of the essentials we'll need to do to set this up. Due to this, we will not be going into Matter.js today, but rather the next episode, and I'm sorry for that. Once again, I'd like to highly recommend you guys to download Visual Studio Code if you haven't downloaded it already, as it's incredibly easy to test your code, and this is the editor I will be using. And no, I am not sponsored by Microsoft. So, without further ado, let's begin. So, I have a GitHub repository open that has the files we'll be using whenever we make a project, including for Throw Your Trash. These files will make up the base for all of our Matter.js projects. So simply download the zip file and open up Finder or wherever you're storing your files. I went ahead and made a folder called coding projects where I'm putting everything inside. And here you have all your files. So here's that. Now to put this into Visual Studio, you simply just drag and drop. Simple. So here we have everything. We got our index.html, matter.js, p5.js, p5.dom.min.js, p5.sound.min.js. These four are just the libraries, and you can mainly ignore them. However, these are the main three. Index.html will mostly be using this when we need to import a new script, which is our new file. Sketch.js is where all the magic happens, and style.css if we want to make things look pretty. So, in the corner here, you can see I have this button that says Go Live. I am assuming that most of you do not have this Go Live button yet. I'll show you how to get it and what it does. So, you go over here to Extensions, and you search up Live Server. Look for this one, Live Server by Retorte. Install it, and then you may need to reload Visual Studio, but then come back over here. You hit the Go Live button to test out your code. Right here, you have like a gray blob along with some white, and you're thinking like, what's this supposed to be? Well, this right here, this is the output of what our code is. You won't be needing raw sprites, however, because Matter.js uses objects rather than sprites. So, we could change this gray to, let's say, I want a black background. Now it's pitch. Now, we run this again. Just save your code, and it'll run. There we go. We have that. So, I can fill there. And then I could have a rectangle. We'll add the position of, let's say, 300, 300, and then like then save this, and we have a nice red rectangle over there. And no, this is not going to be part of our game. I'm just showing you how this works. So yeah, that's the basics of Visual Studio, and there isn't much else we need to cover before we dive into Matter.js. So thank you guys for watching. Foxy Code